What's going on, guys? Hope you all having a great day. It's Rafa back again. Today we made a beautiful profit. I shared 2 trades inside my free Telegram channel. You will find the link down below in the description. Yeah, we took 2 trades. First one was a loss, second one was a runner. I was good loaded up, and damn, I'm gonna talk about that in a second, but I want to show you something real quick because I was in the garage and I changed cars today, so I gave the Cadillac back to pick up the Buick Bumblebee. Look at that. Ooh, how beautiful she is. Damn, let me start that beast for you guys. I told you this one is crazy. I told you. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing today. I'm telling you. Just gonna finish this video real quick and show you what we did today. Overall, we made around 250 or something like that. I will check it in a bit. Luis, what's poppin', my G? How you doing, boy? Hello. Ivory, you here as well? Beautiful. How you doing? Oh, you guys want a snack? 1 second. What we got? We got some chicken for you, fellas. Come with me, boy. Whoa. 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 You got it. Damn. Here, this is the piece that you stole from me. Damn, boy, you quick. Crazy. Ooh, all right, team. I hope you're all good. I hope you all had a profitable day as well. I mean, if you followed these 2 trades, you would have been able to make some good money, I'm telling you. So, let me go into the results real quick. Oh, it was not 250, it was around 292,000 today. So overall, it's around, on this account right now, it's around 4.5%, something like that for the week, which was good. We made some good money for the last 2 weeks, plus today 1.35 million so far, which is crazy. I'm telling you, it's time to buy a new toy. Oh, I fell in love with a buggy today. I love buggies, man. I love to go off-roading. I love to be in the heart of nature, enjoying myself with my friends, like having a good time, and yeah, jumping around in a 2-seater, 4-seater. I don't care. But it has to be loud and you have to get dirty, man. I'm telling you. Okay, so screen record is live. So let's talk about what was happening today, guys. First of all, I want to show you the daily chart real quick first. So I marked up Friday's high as a possible liquidity pool, and Thursday's high last week, and I marked up the overall next significant low on the daily chart. This is what I marked up on the daily, as you can see. And then I was going down, checking the 1-hour chart, and then I marked up this high in here, this high in here, this high in here, this high in here. And yeah, I came to the conclusion that the economy, the inflation, everything, like this thing is like a big bubble and it started to burst already. So we're in a downtrend. I expect a downward movement on Thursday last week. I was trying to buy into a big sell. I got lucky, as you know, in the last video I was talking about that trade where I got pretty lucky. I made like a little profit, but I was on the wrong side of the market. I was just watching it, and today I was on the right side of the market. I decided to sell, and I will show you exactly when I did it and how I did it. So overall we have so this is like, I didn't saw this one over here. I just saw the movement until here. So what was happening, guys? Let me go to the lower time frame, the 5-minute chart. Now let me show you the 1-minute chart. Okay, so what was happening, guys? Well, we had this move in here, this trend move, and then we have gone into a pullback, right? And this is the Fibonacci tool, and you can see like the 50% level is here. Like, this is the 50% level, and yeah, I was really looking for the market to get above the 50 and then to show me some kind of reversals to go down again. So, well, I was one of the early birds, I'm telling you. So at around 8:30 the New York session started, and as you can see in here, this is the New York session start. And as you can see, we pulled some buys into the market, and we created this beautiful equal highs in here. And then at around 9:30, when you see like the algorithms kicking in, 9:30, volume is going up. Like, this is when the stock market opens, and when we have like this crazy movements within that day. Like, this is the time where I'm interested in trading, and when I check for opportunities. And what they did was they pulled price above this equal highs, right? They pulled it above the 50% level, and then we got this nice bearish candle in here. So we broke structure on a 1-minute time frame, and I was getting in here, had my stop above the high, got stopped out, took that loss. Okay, then on the next one, which was in here, as you can see, like the bullish structure start to form, boom, bullish structure, boom. Then we had this break of structure in here, price slashed through it, boom, got rejected. I got in like crazy. I sent out the signal. I was like, sell, I'm going sell. Had the stop somewhere above here. I gave it a little bit air to breathe, but had my stop above here, somewhere in here. And my target where I wanted to take some profits off the table was in here. And of course, if you want to let a runner run, you could have tried to let this one hit at this significant point on the daily time frame. As you can see, this last significant low, which is about to get 100 next. And yeah, you could have let it go for some deeper movements, but I was really happy with taking some profits off the table in here. I didn't let it run further because I was good loaded up, guys. I'm telling you, I took an entry in here, loaded it up when it came back like a couple of times, and I was heavy loaded up. As soon as we slashed through this equal lows in here, I was moving my stop just like that to take some profit, to take some risk off the table. So I had my stop in here, and then I let this thing develop and let it run, and then I got out at around 350, somewhere in this area. Took everything off the table, and yeah, made that nice profit over nearly around 300,000, which is crazy for Monday, man. We started that week so good. Let's see what we got for tomorrow. If this week continue like that, maybe we're gonna have another $1 million week. Let's see, guys. I'm so pumped. I'm hyped up, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun this month. I'm telling you, I'm ready to kill it, and I hope you too. Guys, if you need my help, just make sure to drop me a message in Telegram. You will find a link down below. Just use this link in the description. I'm not using any WhatsApp. You cannot find me anywhere. Just click this link in the description, and don't trust anybody in the comment section. Please, there are some scammers. Today I had one conversation with one of my students who wanted to be a student, but he was falling for a scammer. He sent the scammer money, and then he starts to blame me that he didn't get the course, but he paid, and he didn't pay. Like, he was talking to somebody else. Like, really be careful, guys. There are a lot of fuckers out there who are pretending to be me, even on Instagram and stuff. be careful, guys. And yeah, that's it for the start of the week. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and all that good stuff. And I wish you a wonderful rest of the day and a profitable trading week, guys. See you in the next video. And make sure to follow me on Telegram, my free Telegram channel. I'm going to share all my entries in there this week for free. Yeah, I think I'm going to share all my entries in there this week for free. And yeah, that's it, guys. Have a good one. See you in the next video. Peace.
What you know, every time I why you funny.